Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your UMIDIGI F1, at the first you have to activate Bluetooth on your smartphone. So let's go for the notification bar. Turn on Bluetooth, then click and hold this icon to open Bluetooth settings. And right now click to pair new device. And right now we are able to connect to one of this device, so we have to simply tap on it. But I'm going to connect to this sticker, so I have to activate Bluetooth on this device. Okay, it's turned on. It's turned on. So right now let's click to pair new device one more time. It is blinking on the green color. It means that right now it is in the pairing mode. So right now I'm waiting when the name of the sticker is going to pop here, and here it is. So simply click. And as you can see, our device is connected. So right now when I go for the camera, for example, I can press here and take a photo. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.